Hey guys, this is a Quorum Pinwheel ceiling fan. Pretty cool fan.
Yeah, you should put CFLs in the head.
They fit weird. This fan is from 2000. That's the year. Apparently it's quite wobbly. There's low. It blows a good amount of air. Actually, it doesn't really blow any air. I lied. There's medium. Yeah, it's blowing a good amount of air. And we'll go to high. Alright, it's going quite fast. It's shaking the stand. It blows an okay amount of air. It's nothing crazy. There it is with the spotlight. Alright. Thank you for watching. Bye.